Wizards, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing my knee because I don't know if you guys knew this, but I have a dislocated kneecap. Which means as a fidget lover, I obviously kind of turned this into different fidgets. Let me show you what I'm talking about. First we have this one. I can also do that. Then we have this one. Then we have this. And this one as well. We have this. We have Velcro. And my favorite, I don't know what this is, but I love to push it. Thanks for watching. Please get me to 25 subscribers by next Saturday. I'm doing a big surprise. Please be there and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye, Wizards.